This is the HG08 remote control helicopter. There are two colors. Turn on the helicopters and turn on the remote control. When the red light is solid, that means that it's ready to go. Adjust the gyro, which is located right here. That is for balance. And when you're ready, let it take off. This is a very stable helicopter. It balances very well. It moves in all places. It goes up, down, left, right, forward, and backwards. It lands very safely and softly as well. Right here we got buttons. It says A, B, and C, which is for syncing, and it can sync up to 3 helicopters. This one is on A. And we'll switch it right now to B, which is this helicopter right here. This one is basically the same, but it's a different color. It also balances very well. It does the same thing. It flies up, down, left, right, forward, and backwards. And it also lands very safely. And that concludes it for the HG08 remote control helicopter.